Ava Lynn playing in the snow. She's making an angel. Mommy and Keegan, you see real good. Cuddled up. I put a little heating fan out there. I don't know how good that's doing. Ava, where you going? So we're, I can barely see her. What's she doing? Almost wiped out, Ave. There she goes. Rocking and roll. This girl loves some snow. I used to love snow. I was her age too, though. The kid doesn't love snow.